the Jollof and Small Chops edition of As E Dey Hot. Today, Friday, 2016 for the month of February. And today, as usual, based on the tradition, we go carry all of the action story when we discuss this week. Drop them, come carry them, roll them together, give una, make una hear all of this discussion and chook mouth inside to talk am the way anything be una for body. My name na Ezo Gochopote. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Samuel as they concern the political matter and one Ogbonge visitor As E Dey Hot.
Yes, now there are separate edition of the Ogbonge program As E Dey Hot. Now we don't carry coming our way. Where we go do it, where we go searching out all the different informative what we'll talk about from Monday reach yesterday with Thursday. So that those of now we do it, we know even get the opportunity to say now one contribute for any of the matter. At least now we get the opportunity to do it to talk on today's zone. So that collectively we go know as they could take they move the country forward. My name never change. My name is Nkubi and this is now As E Dey Hot.
Before we begin the sound now with all of the topic where we carry come today, we must tell you now for our Ogbonge visitor we miss every time when we give an invitation, he go come join us sit down because of the great passion and love when he get for Obodo Nigeria. I no go talk in name too much and the title make you no come be like say I dey whine now. I dey talk of no other than the political analyst par excellence, entrepreneur wey sabi well as they concern anything business. Ogagbola Oba, welcome to As E Dey Hot. I say this your smile. This your smile. They
but you know add up those things. You just make them very simple today.
I don't make them simple. Make you feel like say
No, me still around. No.
I do sign of the cross. When we go deliver you.
This will even pass handshake. We'll just leave it like that. But we go still shake. Make it say the tradition no spoil. Correct. Ogagbola, but we no go waste time. Now people waiting for house. No go just begin to drop them.
The last time we are come here, Shuku they send you go exile. You can't bring one woman come.
They tell me, me I know. Me I tackle them. I no waste time.
Make we begin with what we will start with on Monday. On Monday, the first story we will carry come now what we call the Ekiti Gate. And this one get to do with Dr. Temitope Aluko, where we saying come out for front of News Story people, come begin they sing like bird. In talk say for the 2014 election, June 21 to be precise, what happened inside Ekiti State. Say Governor Ayodele Fayose and all of the other people when we say support them, then shook hand inside batting. Based on say they share plenty money when running to about $37 million. Just for say make PDP win the election for inside Ekiti and Osun State by force, by fire. In come out, come talk this one, say, he they ready to defend them anywhere and then go face the consequences. From Ekiti State, we move, enter inside Nigeria security matter and the badness when Boko Haram Jaguda people do inside Dalori for near Maiduguri for inside Borno State. According to the information when we get that time, about 80 plus people and then burn down the village. Eyewitness they come and talk say they call our soldier people they don't get any information back from them. But we also cut cap give our soldier people when we say they repel the attack of Boko Haram Jaguda people when we enter inside internally displaced person camp when they talk say they house over 20,000 people. Plenty people for Nigeria don't come and talk say the war against Boko Haram say no be technical victory we want, no be technical defeat we want make them suffer. We want make them suffer total defeat so that Nigerians go fit sleep and close their eyes. From that Boko Haram Jaguda issue, we enter the talk when we say Oga Presido talk for inside Switzerland. When he come and talk, say, in check some kind things, now he make him hand over power, give President Muhammadu Buhari. Even before they talk, say, this election, though, they don't conclude the whole collation and the counting process. People come and talk, say, in try, based on, say, before we enter inside the election, plenty things don't they hot inside the Obodo Nigeria. But as he take that step, na very right thing. Or some other people come talk, say, yes, he do the right thing, but if you lose election, what are you supposed to do? Now to hand over to the person when win you, so that things go smooth and without any wahala whatsoever. We can enter the war against corruption and the talk when Oga President talk say na the judiciary na be im biggest headache. People come and talk say instead of making the talk say the judiciary na your biggest headache, make you meet with the oga dem for inside the judiciary, sit down, make una discuss, make una go see the people in the legislature, institutionalize this wey be say e go change the judiciary based on say the three organs of government that they work hand in hand and everything wey dem suppose dey do suppose be collaborative effort. From there we come top am with one story wey make plenty people belle sweet sake of say if na only bad things then they know Nigeria for we don enter inside good books as 4 of our banks inside Obodo Nigeria enter inside the top 500 for inside the world. People come talk say Bankers Magazine don't try as they put our 4 banks inside the top 500. But say no be just make our banks they enter top 500. Say make the condition of living of Nigerians self they enter top 10 for inside this world. Because if our banks they do well and our economy standard, Nigerians' life could be better. This now all of the Tori one carry come from weekend drop on Monday to chook mouth inside be that.
Yes, and on Tuesday we can carry enter into this matter that has to do with the new tariff for that is for power. And we will target new power and new light money. Shey it go better. We know say before the tariff even take effect, will be 1st of February. We don't hear from different Nigerians and from different people onto say, look, if now want do it, if now want implement or rather increase money, power money, make now do it. Me now ensure say at least the power they steady. Me now ensure say things they in place before now go do it. Before now go see now they increase any tariff. Onto say waiting. Onto say we don't hear different promises in the past to say yeah we go improve light. Okay, for this reason that's why we increase money and in the end we no go see anything. I would also see money where they do it where they don't spend on top of the power sector. Where we say ordinarily that kind of money supposed to enough to do it. Supposed to enough to at least put our power sector on a very stable state. But even at that, just like I said, the money just develop leg, enter different people pocket, we will not see the effect. People come to talk say, look, with this new implementation, or rather with this new tariff when they put in, make we they see result to no it's not just increase. In the end, now constantly give us a taste by moonlight kind of story. All they tell us say, it is unfortunate say we no fit achieve them. Now we will talk about on Tuesday with this.
On top of Wednesday, we can carry one topic when we say it generates plenty talk. The talk even come up plenty smoke. We tag this one, corruption, who be actor, who be boss. That one, I sake of say, on the 2nd of February, the person when we say, now be the main person for inside the case when he involved the $2.1 billion. Colonel Sambo Dasuki retired. DSS then carry and come court late. As they carry and come court late, the judge when sit down to all the case come look say, we don't wait for una sins because we get time when una supposed to come. Why una come they come by this time? After they give their reason in conduct, say, okay, the next time we'll go meet for this case, now February 26. Plenty Nigerians gonna come and conduct say, if a few days ago, Oga President talk say judiciary na im biggest headache. DSS when they under the executive. When we say them no, say okay, for this case when we fight, so now we suppose even ginger pass to make sure say judiciary do their work. Why they gonna bring and come late? Some people go even talk say the thing when provoke them pass. Now the excuse when we say them give. They talk say we get another particular case when they want make the co-defendants with Oga Sambo Dasuki agree whether they go enter or they no go enter. They go say why una no inform them earlier? They go also talk say it be like say Colonel Sambo Dasuki say he not to wear in cloth quick. Plenty Nigerians come shout say even if na canopy in the wear or na parachute material they take making cloth, why he no go fit come court early enough? They can't draw here they give federal government say if we talk say we want change, make it not be like the way when the thing day before when we say case go last for 6 years, 7 years, sometimes 10 years, and at the end of the day it go be like say na only initial gra we get. And we can't help them set alarm. Say February 26th, DSS. You will make sure that you carry Colonel Sambo Dasuki to court on time. We dey wait, and when the alarm ring and we not see the action, we go call them again and they can answer all these things. Now, what we discuss on Wednesday? Be that.
And yesterday will be Thursday. We can carry enter into it the Minister of Science and Technology, which is our guy Goneonu, where he talk. That is last month. And we will tag made in Nigeria pencil by 2018. Shana clap or na cry because we had said the minister last month carry waka enter this thing, the Project Development Institute. That's what they call PRODA for inside Enugu, where you go investigate, check around things, come say come beat in chest, say I promise you people. I promise you, like when Martin Luther King talk, say, I dream. He can't promise. Nigeria people can't anticipate what he go talk. Can't they get that excitement? Say, yes, the minister won't drop something where they very, very solid. Because they look, in 2018, Nigerians go start to do it. They produce their own pencil. Now people shock. Because say, hey, minister, Oga Minister of all things, still a person go talk say we go they produce in 2018. What about other sectors of the technology? And apart from that, we don't also see young Nigerians. Young Nigerians, when we say they don't come up to different manufacturing and things, when we say they don't come up with different ideas. What do you make us know? Say, okay, these people, make we invest into these people, or make we invest into the idea. Make we even give people who get similar ideas, do it in and the same platform, so that at least we go feed they build on a very strong science and technology country. Now all these things we can't look. People can't they react to say, no, this is not the right thing for the ministers to talk. Say this is not even a dream at all. If this is dream, say this is a dream that ought to have been achieved long before now. Now what we'll talk about? Yesterday will be Thursday with that.
Before we begin to discuss all of the story wey we discuss from Monday go reach Thursday, we go just drop two of the small chops when they on top of this episode when we go discuss today. And Oga Gbolaba, he go get the opportunity to chook mouth inside after we don discuss Monday go reach Thursday. Everybody knows this week business activity dey very very busy for the Supreme Court. That na sake of very important case when we say we don see the end of am. We go talk about wetin happen for Abia governorship election and also the Akwa Ibom governorship election. We know say plenty people dey for the Supreme Court, they be dey wait. Say make we see as the thing go go based on say na PDP versus APGA and also PDP versus APC respectively for Abia and Akwa Ibom state. But the Supreme Court don give their ruling and they don talk am say based on wetin dem carry come before them and all the things wey dem don check, say na Oga Ikpeazu na him win the election for Abia state and Udomi Emmanuel na him win the election for inside Akwa Ibom state. That one na an aside. And the second one we go discuss now as it get to do with the arrest. When we say court don talk say make dem go arrest Dr. Temitope Aluko wey come out come talk say him dey ready to face any consequences, but him dey sure say the June 21, 2014 election inside Ekiti state say that one no be election, say na coup d'etat. Oga Gbolaba, make we no waste time. I know say as we don't drop all this story now, you don't ready to sink your teeth into all of them, but we go take them small.
They call me dog.
No, not be so.
They call me dog.
It's metaphorically speaking, not be so. Make we go back to Monday.
Now metaphor you take slap me now.
No, I know if you try.
Go back to Monday.
Make we go back to Monday first. Because of say we don't talk about this perjury case now and the Ekiti Gate, make we leave that one so that you will get the opportunity to discuss that one.
About this alleged perjury.
The alleged perjury. Make we come talk about what happened for inside Dalori for near Maiduguri for Borno State. We hear say technically we don't defeat Boko Haram Jaguda people and say the power when they get now only soft targets. But if we check the commando-like operation of these Boko Haram Jaguda people for inside Dalori, when we say they even face our soldier people, they face to face, say they won't enter internally displaced persons camp. It be like say that technically when they the front, it gets the way when the team be. What will be your own opinion of that particular unfortunate incident when it happened for inside Dalori?
Nothing take away the technically. Technically, now because they don't get territory anymore, and they still want to be relevant, they still want people make them think say they do business, and then go strike. Come to think of it, if you protect yourself. Every day where thief no come your house, you no go make the news. But the day where one SOB, we cannot use the full.
Oliver SOB.
The day where you get chance, jump your wall, you know it go be a story. We need to get ourselves to the position where we realize, say, until the doctrinal conviction, the Oyinbo people go say until the perfidious doctrinal conviction, where they power such elements as Boko Haram, until that conviction comot people head and people minds, some people go think say, then they serve their own useless God by wreaking havoc against society, even at the expense of their life.
True.
And it's easy to police somebody where you even get respect for your own life. Person where no get respect for your life. How easy it take day to police her?
Very true.
So make we not sit here and give people the wrong impression, say, because Nigerian army don't take territories come out for the hand of Boko Haram, then we will just go out, go sleep. Because the spirit where they drive them, now the spirit of Satan. And since God don't wallop Satan for heaven,
enter inside the darkest pit.
It's still they
try.
So make we just encourage our people, especially the people where they live that area, say no country get security infrastructure wey go cover them coast to coast. If we put all the soldiers on the face, all the soldiers wey dey this world on the face of Nigeria, make them hold hand like this. If some people dey like this Boko Haram people dey, something go still happen. So now our people, we supposed to encourage now, say they for open their
eyes.
People wey move and they're not supposed to move.
May they report them.
If I know say them bomb me for this particular street, I know you when you dey grow up there. But suddenly now I can't see another face where I don't know.
It calls for questioning.
My brother, how you be? How today? What you self they do here? Because it don't day one level now. It don't reach one level now where the safety of our own lives must dey for our hand. Because if we over depend on the security infrastructure, we ain't get its own limitation in some respects. So me, I know still want to say...
you know what we go do now? Make we no come begin to discuss this issue. This one where you don't carry come now, don't settle this case. You talk about vigilance, you talk about security consciousness, and the fact say we supposed to come upon ourselves if we see certain things when they're strange. And we go use this opportunity, encourage our security people, say make themselves they proactive. Because now then sabi all this intelligence and how they will take manage them. And we believe, say, collectively as a people, we go pursue this Boko Haram Jaguda badness come up for inside our Obodo Nigeria. We could just leave that particular case, we not talking too much. This one, I go just want me you sprinkle what you think about our Oga Presido before, good luck, Ebele Jonathan. When he follow people talk, he talk and say, he check some kind of things. When he use con look, say, even before they announce the final result of this election, make sure, say, he don't settle everywhere. And true, we check him, everything come. I go like make from your experience, say you don't live for other crimes. When we say, we they look up to them, say we want copy them, make them. I beg advise our politicians. Say make them know, say election, no be by force, no be do or die, and at least make them borrow a leaf. I go talk a leaf from former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Over to you.
I no go talk so. You know why I no go follow that line where you throw. No democracy is perfect. But make person the countenance iniquities too. No they enrich democracy. We must realize, say, the only thing where we don't want our politicians make them they do, we say make them they encourage violence.
True.
But if you don't believe, say something stand right, you should get the right to take them to
court.
Two institutions like courts and all other institutions of the country where go help us look at that thing critically and say whether the thing stand right or you no stand right. In so much as you know encourage violence. You see, the thing where Dr. Goodluck Ebele Jonathan do, as much as I celebrate the man for the act of this thing where he do, we must also not just encourage a culture of
anytime it happen like that, make anybody just accept and say, okay, you congratulate whoever we emerge as them.
In fact, some things they develop for Supreme Court now, where many people know we're supposed to be in strategic positions of state, no seem to the understand. Say, you see, recently, the Supreme Court gives some judgments. The judgment, it be like say, no favor the governing party. The chairman of the governing party can't come out. Talk as person where suspect say
something done foul play.
Say wuru day. I think say the elderly gentleman he makes small mistake in that remark. You know why I think say he makes small mistake in that remark is that he must know say for somebody where he hold in kind position. he must not stoke lack of faith in the institutions of justice. And somebody wey dey in position, even if he get reservation, he get other means when he for take communicate am.
Yes.
But I no sit here make I just dey. In fact, if you look at if you look at the philosophy of law, this Supreme Court no be say the pronouncement too gladden me. But this Supreme Court sef dey do some things wey we supposed to dey celebrate, because in a common law society like our own, one of the reasons where person supposed to dey celebrate court be say you supposed to know that the court is operating on something wey they call the principle of the certainty of law. The court no be the court dey make law. The court na im job to interpret law.
Exactly.
As e be now, the electoral law wey we get, e dey behind some developments in our electoral elections management. True. The court, especially the Supreme Court, dey tell una say we no be our job to help you create law. The law wey una give us na im we go interpret. And those of us wey dey here wey sabi read book know say the law, electoral law now, e dey far behind development in this thing. So Supreme Court dey tell una say we go interpret the law. All the other arms of government wey get responsibility to make law, like the executive supposed to write executive bill to reform or revise the law, submit out to the legislature. The legislature supposed to carry out their own job by making the law wey go countenance all these other positive developments in this thing. So some people sit there now, they think say na wuruwuru Supreme Court dey do.
Okay. Oga Gbaloba, because we get a whole lot to talk about today, I want make we just enter straight into other stories wey make this thing wey we talk about for the week. Okay, the new power tariff, that is the new light tariff, don't take effect from 1st of February. Okay, with the agents say before the proper approval or before the implementation of that tariff, this thing will take effect on February 1st. We don't be the year say the matter don't dey court already. Because like from the spokesperson of the man, he talks say look, say they don't get any right to say they want to implement this new tariff, or to say the matter still dey court. From your own church mind now, say you know to say the people with the government wey ensure say this thing, say they don't violate one kind law, be say on their own part. Somehow no be something they supposed to encourage. But they say they violate the law, we don't do on ground. So okay, since this matter dey inside court, make we still hold on onto this matter until we settle am for court.
The people wey take the case go court, if they know say the court don't say make all parties involved hold the status quo ante, if they believe so, make them go back to the court now, tell the court say, Oga George, you say make we hold status quo ante. This other party, it don't go move status comot from co. You don't move them to a new status this thing. If they go court and they feel proof for judge say one of the parties don't break this thing, the judge go ordinarily know wetin to, whether I go tell the party
make
to
reverse.
The thing wey I no go encourage be say I see a lot of excitement now. They excite the people say make them yari, make them this thing. We no go get society to run if we dey encourage violence to solve problem. You know, it better make we follow the machinery of the law. Okay. As ever slow it may seem, in this matter, make them go back to court, go say the side of the government and the side of the discourse.
But Oga Gbaloba, if you check, the reality now say from the new template when they release, now like this, the thing will be an increment, don't they? And the advice when people don't come talk, say, okay, government, una don't promise us, from what you go do now, una won't put hand where we're inside this sector to see, say, all the years, all the donkey years we don't waste. On top of say we want to improve this particular sector when wahala can't happen, we don't pass them and we will begin to increase megawatts. But one particular problem, the trust deficit between those when the government and those when they lead Nigerians. Which step you think the government will take? First and foremost, to fit they correct this fact, say a lot of Nigerians believe say any government will come now the same, and if they talk now the same way when they don't talk before, now then they continue to they talk.
If you
but
know,
you no go vex, because I know say you will take time to answer this question because it's a very strong one. We go quickly rush enter this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as they concern all of the action to really happen this week. Don't go anywhere. Now still as it hot. Will they come back?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.